I start my topic in the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mariam Zubair from Department of Microbiology BS Part 1. The topic which I chose for my presentation is question takes or take questions. So, first of all, we need to understand that what is question takes. A take question refers to an imperative, means important statement required. A question take as an interrogative fragment that turns the statement into a question. Means the whole
मरियम आपकी आवाज कट रही है. Initially we were able to hear you, now we are unable to hear you.
sentence will be considered the main clause, and the second one is important idea and an interrogation whether the idea is right or wrong. For example, first one is if the statement is negative, the take must be positive. And if the statement is positive, the take must be negative. For example, she is pretty, isn't she? In this example, you can see our main clause is positive and the take which we are attaching to the main clause that is negative take. And in the second example, he is not intelligent. The take which we are attaching to the main clause that is positive take. The take is determined by the tense of the auxiliary modal verb of the statement that precedes it. It means the question take will have the same verb as the main clause of our sentence have. For Anaya can win the competition, can't she? So you can see that in our main clause we are using can as a modal verb, and in question take we are also using can. And in second example you can see Misbah doesn't go school. Does she? In our main clause we are so it means both thing is the usage of take question used for checking information that which for have confirmation, and for in main clause we use take questions. There are some examples of take questions. First one is Ibrahim eats cheese, doesn't he? Second one is the bus stop is over there, isn't it? The third one is I am lazy, aren't I? You people have to consider over the third example very carefully. Remember, if there is helping verb am in statement, then helping verb are is used in take. So this was my presentation. Hope you people got it. If you have any question or any complication, so you may ask. Thank you.